Welcome to Numerical Methods. I'm going to show you how to set up the Freemat to the toolpath where you save the mfiles functions. First, you have to identify the location of the folder for the mfile functions. Okay, then open your Freemat. Go to toolpath. Then you have to find the folder. Okay, in my laptop, that's under m function. Then click the folder and then click add. Don't forget to save and done. Okay, after that you have to restart your Freemat. Then we can try to run one of the function. For example, we are going to run the bisection function. Just type the command bisection, that is the name of the function. Then type the function minus x plus 1 from 1 to 2 with the error of 1 with the error of 0.0005. This is the results. There are 11 iterations and the final result is 1.134277. Okay, thank you very much.